So hopefully, despite the lack of sunshine this summer, your cultivating change chives are thriving in your garden and you're ready to use them in the kitchen. Chives are fantastic. You can use them in so many different ways. Add them to your favourite omelette, stir through hot new potatoes with mayonnaise, or even if you've got a real glut, you could dry freeze them or chop them finely and add to breadcrumbs to use in stuffings later in the year. Here we're making a really easy recipe. It's called chive and garlic butter and it can be used in many ways to elevate many different dishes. All you need to do is beat some softened butter, wash and dry your chives, finely chop and mix in with your crushed garlic and a pinch of sea salt. Take a large square of baking parchment and using a spatula, place the butter in the middle, roll it into a log shape, twist the ends and place in the fridge to chill or, if you like, straight to the freezer. It will keep in the fridge for up to a week and in the freezer for 3 months or so. Once you take it out, you can use it on so many different things. Add it to freshly cooked salmon, spread it over warm flatbread straight from the oven, or simply add a slice to your steaming hot jacket potato. Whichever way you use it, you'll use it time and time again.